Hey guys, it's your boy Mark doing a drive-through tour. I will also be doing a tour of the model home over here as well. So I wanted to start with some of the amenities so you can see the pool. And I'm gonna slightly bring my car around, filming while I'm driving, so bear with me. As I turn over here, you will see the playground. You can see the mail kiosks, and then you can start seeing the homes in the distance. So let me tell you a little bit about this community. I started probably filming it maybe 2.5 to 3 years ago when it was just getting started. So what you see, you may have seen me tape when things were literally probably in framing stages. Let me zoom out a little bit too so you can kind of get a feel. This is in Newnan, Georgia, in Coweta County. Past these tree lines too, there's like a lake / pond back there too, which I think the residents can use. And the price point on these are going to be pretty much 5s, 6s, and 7s. They currently, I'm taping this about a week before Thanksgiving, November of 2022. So you could expect, as we go along, probably the prices to continue to go up. So as soon as you see this video, if you like what you see, definitely hit me up. You can see this is where the mail kiosk is. That's where they probably have 2 sections of mail kiosks because it's a pretty big community. What I love about this community is, I would say everything I've seen so far pretty much has a 3-car garage. So you have about 2 or 3 car garages, most of them 3-car. You have a combination of stone, brick, hardy plank, shake material. You have, I believe, 1 or 2 ranch floor plans, and then you have 3 or 4 very, very gigantic homes, like pretty much 3,600 square feet to 4,400 square feet. They're sitting on 1 acre of land. This is the model home that I will be filming in a little bit. It's one of my favorite floor plans as well. You might even see back there, there's an actual fireplace out there in the back. This is like the main entrance over here. And then we kind of pull in. So you could kind of see that was a ranch one up there. Here's another ranch. So I would say those have a good chance of still being with a 5 in front of it, and then it starts heading up from there. You can see some of these. What I want you to know about this community and this this builder, so we're pretty experienced with them. We love building relationships with all kinds of builders, but this is one of our favorites because they really look out for our buyers. They build a good quality product. They have the 1-2-10 warranty, which means 1 year from the builder, 2 years from their vendors that work on the house for electrical, plumbing, heating, and air, and then 10 years on the actual structure. And as you can see, they make a really, really nice product. Great backdrop. A lot of the lots are going to be wooded. You can see on this side as well. Some have the 2-story family room. Some have the media room in lieu of the 2-story family room. One of the floor plans, their largest one, they currently have, when I'm taping this, it's around, I believe, 710,000, which is a huge footprint for a 1 acre, 4,400 square feet that you could eventually probably finish off to about 6,000 plus square feet. Newnan is actually one of my favorites. I think sold about 4 or 5 homes in 2022 down here. It's very, very well maintained, good, strong local government. It is, you get a lot of house for your money. You get a lot of land for your money. Like I said, if you're looking for that type of community where you're like not right on top of your neighbor, obviously this would be the one. How I came down here and how you would come down here, say you're coming from Atlanta, there's a couple ways. You could take 85 south, You could also, like if you're already south or west of the city, you could go down South Fulton Parkway. If you guys have heard of a community called Serenbe, which is in Chattahoochee Hills, I just passed that about 5-minute drive down the road. You can see what some of them look like on a basement. And downtown Newnan is very, very popular as well. Really, really growing. I remember doing a video of some townhouses, like they had elevators in them and all that, and they were priced pretty much from 700s to about 950,000. So when you kind of do the math on that for a townhouse in downtown Newnan, right about 15 minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes from here, and you compare it to the square footage you get on these huge, large lots, there's really no comparison, right? These are just absolutely gorgeous estate homes, true estate homes. And what's exciting about it is if you get in early enough, like before they obviously, you know, are just about framing it or just do the lot releases, the foundations are poured, the slabs are poured. If you get in early enough, they have already permitted like the exteriors of the home. They have to do that, or else it would take, gosh, probably a good 12 to 18 months or more to build the house. This is one of their biggest floor plans right here, which I really love. So they pick, you know, you're gonna get one of these great elevations, some with the brick fronts, some with the stone and brick, some with the combination. But if you get in early enough, you're going to get a chance to go to their design center. Their design center is up in Swanee, Georgia, and you'll be able to, you know, pick out your flooring, your paint colors, your cabinet colors, all the things that, you know, a lot of people would really, really like to pick out in a home. So down here, I'm not going to go down there right now because it's a construction zone, but you can kind of see this is their next phase that they're about to start building in. So these are going to be your opportunities right here. So what I want you to do is, if you watch this video, you really like what you see, I have to get you in front of the preferred lender so that we can get you some really, really good incentives. A lot of the builders, a lot of the local and national builders are starting to offer to buy down rates. They're including, you know, blinds and garage door openers. Some of them are including appliances, including the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. So we'll see what we can get you. But I just think this is an amazing opportunity. If you haven't done your research, definitely do it on Newnan, do it on Coweta County. We love it. Like I said, we've got about 4 people here in the last year. All the feedback has been amazing. They love it. Some are raising their young children. Some have retired. So it's a good mixture of both. And, you know, you're not too far from a Peachtree City, a Sonoya, but also south of the city, like a South Fulton, Palmetto, and the airport. You'll probably be there in about 30 minutes. Downtown Atlanta, I'd say about 45 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go in and do the home tour right now for you, and just give me a call. Give me a call when you're ready, and the sooner the better, like I said, because the prices will increase. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Make it a great day.